In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Jira with Microsoft Outlook so you can manage emails, issues, and collaboration more efficiently in one connected workflow. This integration is perfect if you use Jira for project tracking and Outlook for daily communication because it helps you turn emails into Jira issues, sync information, and save a lot of time. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Jira. Make sure you're logged into the Jira account where you want to enable the Outlook integration. Once you're on your Jira dashboard, look at the top navigation bar. From here, click on the More option. This opens additional settings and tools available for your Jira workspace. Next, from the More menu, click on Apps. This will take you to the Atlassian Marketplace section, where you can browse and manage apps that integrate with Jira. These apps allow you to extend Jira's functionality and connect it with other tools you already use. Now that you're in the Apps or Marketplace area, look for the search bar and type in Outlook. This will filter the results and show you apps designed to connect Jira with Microsoft Outlook and other Microsoft 365 services. From the search results, find and click on Microsoft 365 for Jira, which includes Outlook email, Microsoft Teams, and calendar integration. This is the official and most commonly used app for connecting Jira with Outlook, and it's designed to work smoothly with Jira Cloud. Once you're on the app page, click on Try It Free. This allows you to start using the integration without any upfront cost, which is great for testing and setup. Jira will then walk you through a short review step where you can confirm the app details and permissions. After reviewing the information, click on Start Free Trial. Jira will now begin installing the Microsoft 365 for Jira app into your workspace. This may take a few moments, so just give it a second to complete. Once the app is installed, you can start connecting Jira with Microsoft Outlook. Depending on your setup, you'll be able to link your Microsoft account, create Jira issues directly from Outlook emails, add email conversations to existing issues, and keep everything in sync between your inbox and Jira projects. This integration is especially useful for teams that rely heavily on email communication but still want to keep all work tracked properly in Jira. Instead of manually copying information, you can convert emails into actionable tasks in just a few clicks. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Jira with Microsoft Outlook using the Microsoft 365 for Jira app. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.